Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, RuView, a mind-bending project that transforms ordinary Wi-Fi signals into a form of spatial intelligence. It enables real-time presence detection and even vital sign monitoring, all without using a single camera, opening up huge possibilities for privacy-focused smart spaces. Imagine if the radio waves already filling our homes could see without a single camera. A project called RuView claims to do exactly that. It's designed to turn commodity Wi-Fi into a spatial intelligence system, promising to see through walls, monitor breathing, and track movement, all while protecting privacy. The project is called RuView, a Rust project from ruvnet, and its goal is to transform standard Wi-Fi signals into a powerful sensing tool. It can detect presence, monitor vital signs, and even estimate human posture, all without cameras. The project has exploded in popularity, gathering over 72,000 stars on GitHub, with hundreds more being added every day. That level of interest shows it's tapping into a major need within the developer community for new ways of sensing the world around us. So, what's the core problem this project is trying to solve? It's about sensing human presence and activity in environments where cameras are either impractical or completely forbidden. Think about places like bathrooms, bedrooms, or medical facilities, where privacy is the #1 priority. Traditional solutions like passive infrared sensors are pretty crude, and cameras, well, they come with immense privacy baggage. RuView's approach is to repurpose the invisible infrastructure of Wi-Fi. It analyzes how our bodies disturb these radio waves, offering a path to detailed awareness from simple presence to complex activity in a fundamentally different and less intrusive way. So how does it work? Instead of just measuring signal strength, RuView analyzes something called Channel State Information, or CSI. You can think of it as the difference between seeing a blurry shadow and seeing a detailed reflection. This much richer data is captured using low-cost ESP32 hardware. The real magic happens at the edge. Lightweight AI models, some as small as just 8 kilobytes, process these signals directly on the device. The project also uses a self-supervised learning approach, which allows the system to train itself on raw Wi-Fi data without needing any human labeling. A key architectural piece is the beamforming feedback layer for detection, or BFLD. This is a privacy-focused layer built with cryptographic safeguards to prevent the system from identifying specific individuals. The goal is to deliver intelligence without compromising identity. The potential applications here are incredibly broad. In smart homes, it could trigger automations that truly understand if a room is occupied, even through walls. For elder care, it offers a non-intrusive way to monitor vital signs or detect falls. Retailers could analyze customer flow and behavior without resorting to privacy-violating cameras. Getting started with a basic setup is surprisingly affordable, using ESP32 boards that cost around $9. However, unlocking the system's full potential requires a deep dive into a very complex ecosystem, one that spans embedded firmware, signal processing, and machine learning. This makes the true barrier to entry quite high. When you look at the community, the sentiment is sharply divided. On one hand, supporters praise the innovative concept. They see it as a valuable research platform for anyone wanting to learn about Wi-Fi sensing. But on the other hand, a significant portion of the community is deeply skeptical. They point to evidence of placeholder code, fake demonstrations, and potential security vulnerabilities. Critics have gone so far as to label parts of the project a refined scam, questioning its maturity and the integrity of its claims. Beyond the debate about implementation, the project faces more fundamental challenges. Its performance is highly sensitive to the physical environment, which could lead to instability in real-world deployments. The core technology, despite its privacy-preserving architecture, is a dual-use tool. A system that can see through walls raises profound ethical questions, regardless of the original intent. Its future doesn't just depend on fixing code. It depends on proving its reliability and navigating the complex ethical landscape it creates. RuView represents a fascinating, though controversial, new frontier in sensing technology. It forces us to consider a future where the invisible digital signals all around us become a new set of eyes and ears, for better or for worse.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.